Hey, in this video, I will show you how to use the BookingPress Roles and Capabilities add-on. First of all, I go to the BookingPress Add-ons page. This is the BookingPress Add-ons page. Scroll down and activate the Roles and Capabilities add-on. Go to the BookingPress Roles and Capabilities page. This is the BookingPress Roles and Capabilities page. Here you can add a new role and assign a role. Click to Add New Role button. You can add the role name and the Click to Save button. Now click to Assign Role to WordPress User button. Select the role and WordPress user. BookingPress provides at a time more than assign roles. After that, click to Save button and assign the role successfully. Now assign a new role for BookingPress staff. Now go to the Sutton WordPress User Admin side. Open the BookingPress dashboard page. See, here you cannot see the calendar menu. Now go to the backend side. Grant the permission and click on the Save button. Go to the BookingPress Manager BookingPress dashboard page and reload the page. Now, here you can see more pages. Open the calendar page. This is the BookingPress calendar page. Go to the backend side and revoke the customer list permission. Again, go to the backend side and reload the page. See, the customer menu hides.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.